Based on late 2025 and early 2026 announcements, Aliko Dangote, the founder of Dangote Industries, one of Nigeria's largest industrial and commercial companies, valued at over $55 billion, is implementing a major strategic project for 2026, shifting from merely building industrial capacity to integrating financial, energy, industrial capacity, and logistics systems to reshape Nigeria's economy. The roadmap in 2026 centers on unlocking public ownership of the refinery, maximizing operational capacity, and boosting foreign exchange earnings. In 2026, Aliko Dangote, the richest man not just in Nigeria but in Africa, is planning major shifts to contribute to the entire African economy, starting with Nigeria. In this video, I'll explain to you exactly how Dangote is transforming the economy with this project. But before we start, can you click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss out on future videos from this channel. Dangote has key projects and you will not want to miss out on them. So ensure you watch the video to the end to know how this project may benefit you in the long run, and share the video with your friends who want to learn more about Dangote's public dealings and how he is investing in Nigeria. Okay, the major project is the listing of Dangote Refinery publicly. Dangote Refinery announced plans to list 10% of its $20 billion refinery on the Nigerian exchange by the end of 2026, with a possible secondary listing on the London Stock Exchange. This means that Nigerians will be able to purchase shares in the Dangote Refinery, not just being able to consume the fuel produced by the refinery, but also being able to purchase shares and also have an equity of the listing of the refinery. On that same note, he is planning for dollar-denominated dividends. In a unique move, the listing aims to allow investors to buy in naira but get dividends in dollars, designed to boost foreign investor confidence and stabilize the local currency. This move allows Nigerians to invest their money in a reputable company like Aliko Dangote's Dangote Refinery and still be able to earn dividends fully, which means they will be able to earn passive income without much investment. Dangote is also doing some direct ownership for Nigerians. This allows Nigerians to own a direct stake in the world's largest single train refinery, effectively democratizing ownership of the critical assets, which has now become a property of the masses and not just for Dangote's group alone. Dangote's group is moving beyond petroleum refineries and also into the next step. But before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you do not miss out on future videos on the channel. The next is energy expansion, or expansion of refining capacity and the energy capacity. The refinery is undergoing a $350 million expansion with plans to increase production from 650,000 barrels per day to 700,000 barrels per day and eventually up to 1.4 million barrels per day. This is aimed at boosting the capacity of Dangote Refinery, ensuring it becomes the world's largest refinery. These plans by Aliko Dangote is expected to transform Nigeria economically, ensuring that we end importation of crude oil as it intensifies its effort, relying entirely on domestic supply from NNPC to fuel the plant. There has been a lot of NNPC gas master plan in 2026. Unveiled in January of 2026, the group secured new deals to boost gas power for the fertilizer production and power generation, aiming for 100% self-sufficiency in power for the complex. This will also boost Nigeria's plans of having 24/7 electricity, as it has become a bottleneck for the average Nigerian. There are also logistics and distribution revolutions. To bypass traditional distribution hurdles and reduce logistics costs, the group deployed about 4,000 compressed natural gas (CNG-powered) trucks for national distribution. This ensures the free flow of commodities from the Dangote refinery to the end users. There are also direct-to-retail model. Collaborating with retailers to bypass middlemen, these initiatives aim to significantly reduce the pump price of PMS across Nigeria. Dangote seemingly has the plans of Nigerians at the back of his mind, with this helping to provide constant energy supply to the entire country. The next is the expansion of backward integration, especially in the sugar and agricultural sector, where the Dangote Group, which has interest in the sector, is strengthening its $700 million investment in the sugar backward integration program, aiming to end Nigeria's reliance on raw sugar imports by 2026 and 2027. There has also been fertilizer expansion, where the fertilizer plant is scaling up production to meet domestic demands and increase exports to West and Central Africa. There are also long-term visions for 2030, initiated in 2026, where there's an industrialization push. The 2026 strategy is part of Nigeria's Vision 2030, which aims to make Nigeria a net exporter of refined products, cement, and fertilizers, transitioning from import dependence to an export-driven industrial powerhouse. There are also places and instances where the company is expanding its polypropylene capacity from $1 million to 1.5 million metric tons, reducing reliance on plastic imports. This project is expected to generate between $25 to $30 billion annually in revenue for the group, substantially increasing local content and transforming the Nigerian capital market. Dangote is no longer playing with this new update, as he's showing that he has a lot of interest in expanding Nigeria's industrial capacity. They have prioritized investments in infrastructure over clout. If you want to get more details on this, kindly click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon for future videos from this YouTube channel, so that you won't miss a single drop, and I'll see you in my very next video.